Hi, and welcome to part 5 of the Glucose Readings with Meaning video series, featuring the FreeStyle Libre 2 system, the world's #1 flash glucose monitoring system. My name is Berard. I'm a nurse and diabetes educator.
In this video, we're going to talk about FreeStyle Libre 2 system reports and how they can help you with your diabetes management. Let's start by reviewing your glucose readings. First, you want to look for hypoglycemia, or low glucose events. Second, you want to increase your time in range. Third, you want to reduce your glucose variability, those up and down waves. International recommendations suggest a target range of 3.9 to 10 millimoles per liter, or the individual target range given to you by your healthcare professional. You can check your target settings by going to Menu, Settings, Report Settings. FreeStyle Libre 2 reports quickly give you the answers you are looking for. To see your reports, click the Menu button in your FreeStyle Libre 2 app. The reports we're going to look at are sensor usage, low glucose events, time in target, and daily patterns.
The sensor usage report shows you how much of your glucose data was captured. You'll see the total number of scans or views, an average of how many times you scanned or viewed your sensor each day, and the percentage of possible sensor data captured from your scans or views.
The low glucose events report tells you when you have experienced a low glucose event. Let's look at the last 7 days. The FreeStyle Libre 2 system will record a low glucose event when your glucose readings are lower than 3.9 millimoles per liter for longer than 15 minutes. Your total number of low glucose events are displayed in the graph. The bar graph tells you what time of day they're occurring. Next, let's have a look at the time in target report. Time in target shows the percentage of time your glucose readings were below, above, or within your target glucose range. Here's an example of someone who spent 75% of their day in their target range. Orange shows you when your glucose is high, yellow is when you're above target range, green is when you are in range, and red represents low glucose. The daily patterns report shows you a summary of your glucose on a typical day. Your sensor is reading your glucose every minute. That's a lot of information. This report helps summarize information on one simple graph. You can choose how the information is summarized by selecting 7, 14, 30, or 90 days. I suggest you look at your last 14. The green horizontal band is your set glucose target range. Looking at your target range, check to see if there are times of the day when your glucose results are below or above your target. Look at the times of the day this is happening. The thick black line shows the middle point of your glucose readings. It is also important to look at the curves on this line, when you're going up or down or above or below your target range. The flatter, the better. Look at the light blue and dark blue areas. You want to keep these areas narrow, meaning fewer highs and lows. It helps you see where you can reduce low glucose events, increase time in target, and reduce your ups and downs. Let's summarize. When reviewing your glucose readings, you want to look for hypoglycemia or low glucose events. Second, you want to increase your time in range. And third, you want to reduce your glucose variability, those up and down waves. FreeStyle Libre 2 can quickly summarize your readings so you can find the answers you're looking for. The sensor usage report shows how much of your glucose readings are being captured. The low glucose events report gives you information on how many lows you are having and when they are happening. The time in target report shows the percentage of time that you spent in, above, and below your target glucose range. Finally, the daily pattern report summarizes your readings over a typical day, so you can see patterns.
Thank you for watching the FreeStyle Libre 2 Glucose Readings with Meaning video series. To learn more about how to use your FreeStyle Libre 2 system, visit MyFreeStyle.ca.
Until next time!